Check out this Chrysler 2016 200 Limited. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are flex fuel vehicle, 6 speakers, AM/FM radio, integrated voice command with Bluetooth, MP3 decoder, radio, Uconnect 5.0, air conditioning, rear window defroster and power steering. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned car, this might be the one. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.